My name is Elise Gibbs, and this is Scientific Thinking for 3rd grade, Lesson 3. This one is called Investigating Motion. The important piece of this lesson is that it's all project-based and problem-based. Students discover a problem in their booklet and work together to find the answer. So the first thing students need to know for this lesson is they need to have a solid understanding of a T-chart and a line graph. An important thing that students need to know for this lesson is that they need to have a solid understanding of drawing T-charts and creating line graphs. So the experiment that they are working on is, does it matter more if a pendulum is longer or if it is heavier for the amount of swings they're going to get through gravity? This is going back to addressing the elements of force. One being gravity. We discussed magnets in the first lesson. This one comes back to gravity as an indirect force. So this is a nice little poster that's included in the kit. You can have students create length of pendulum by hanging paper clips from the numbers, so they can discuss whether the length matters or the weight of the pendulum matters. So students use paper clips linked together to create strings, and as they go they investigate and they test how many swings a washer will take in a minute. So they hook the washer onto the paper clip, the bottom paper clip, and they use the masking tape to tape it to a surface where it's free to swing. You discuss with students that a swing, it counts from starting here to back here, so this is 1. Students will very easily go 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's important to talk about a full swing, start and finish. So as the pendulum gets longer, they record how many swings it's taken in 30 seconds on a T-chart. The longer it gets, the slower it swings. So their data should begin to show that the length matters more than the weight. They're also encouraged to test and problem solve by adding more washers. Does the weight change how many swings it takes? An extension to this lesson that is a lot of fun is for students to figure out how to attach markers or paint and paint brushes and stuff to the bottom and see what kind of art your pendulum will create, and that's a link into the art for the classroom. That's it.